Great demo from Dima.
Got it?
Damn it. Let's, you have it, yeah. Let's go. Nicely done.
Let's go.
Let's go! You know what? Constant pressure, shall we?
Sure.
They do a lot of boo-boos under pressure, see?
Constant pressure, half rotation in the center.
Yes,
Don't give them way
try
to set up.
close them in their, try to close them in their field.
My bad. Second.
Oh, chill. That is
Yes.
good, right? Shit,
Yeah.
my bad. Idiot, sorry. Let's go, guys. Nice demo. You have me at the back.
However,
Smart. You have it, baby?
no.
Okay, I have it.
Behind me. Got it.
Yours. Nice.
Got the guy. Nice one.
I just
He has-
kept it here for... Nice! I'm behind you. What the...
My bad, no. Is that
Sorry,
bad?
not my bad. My mouse was kinda stuck. Oh, look at this.
Water.
Nice.
Yes. You. Behind the center. Okay, good.
Sure. I'm coming back behind you. Nice one.
Center.
Zero boost, but pushing kinda. Nice try.
Yeah.
Nice shot. Let's go. Woo. Let's go.
It's tough. Let's go.
Yeah. Let's go.
My bad.
Chill, man. No. So. Let's go. See, I'll be
Trying
back.
to save
Let's
my-
go. Nice shot and in the palms and 3-3. A big fan of your kickoff, man.
Tried
Woo.
to reach it earlier. Oh no, I should have not picked.
Chill.
Behind me in the
Stand
center.
away.
I'm not going to challenge this range round. Right.
Okay, I'll go back. Oh, nice one. Is that? Oh no.
Oh,
Okay.
no.
Nice shot.
Sable shot.
Nice
Yes.
shot. Let's go. Woo. How you doing, Rio? Yeah, I believe so. Like, man, the first game was a lot easier. We kind of uh, made it possible for them to come back to the game, but what the hell? Sorry. No idea how that happened. Nice. I'm in the go. Beautiful. I'm behind you. Nice.
Push. Nice. Doing that.
Yep. Nice shot.
Right.
That's out. I'll go.
Yeah.
You have me behind you. Nice 50. Still have me behind you.
Thank you.
Great demo from Dima. Let's go, guys. Ha, guys. Beautiful demo. Demo. Demoing.
Oh no.
No, that's not good. Beautiful. Okay.
I had it.
I have it.
No, it's like. Still had it.
I really tried for the last one. Okay, I'll go behind you. Just for the sake of safety and logic and rotation.
Still have it.
Yep.
Classic point? No.
Let's go!
Classic security.
Yeah, I'm not letting this touch the ground. Oh.
Nice. That's ink flying.
Let's go! Guys, we got the season's tournament.
Finally.
Happy, that is happy, and a lot of long form videos coming. Hey! For those of you who have been like following the channel, you know, like, it's coming.
Finally. Let's go, guys.
Yeah, let's go. And okay,